Hey, good evening, everybody. Welcome to Trade and Nominee. This is Jairam. I see many of the people are subscribing, watching my channel, but they didn't subscribe yet. Please subscribe. You will get notification whenever I upload the video. Okay, let's get started. We will analyze Friday, how was the market, and also how it's going to be tomorrow. I see like SGS next Nifty is 112 points up. This is a Singapore Nifty happens trading in Singapore as well during the weekends. It is up by 1112 points from yesterday's close, which means Nifty will open a gap up tomorrow. To it's around 22693 as if now, which means yesterday Nifty closed around 22475 and 22693. Uh, exactly, Nifty won't match exactly with SGX Nifty, but it would be around 20-30 points difference will be always there. Uh, but it depends again. We can't confirm that as it is 112 points uh, up, it would start as a bullish. In Singapore, it will get trade till Singapore time. I'm not exactly sure about the timing, but late night it will get trade. And again, it opens early in the morning around 6:30 a.m. IST, and from 6:30 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. The market uh, will get traded in the Singapore. Depends upon that. It could be a gap up and gap down, but as of now, it looks like a gap up. Market is going to open gap up tomorrow, which means around this point. Okay. Uh, Now let's check how market behaved on Friday. Um, Market has opened a gap up and 5 EMA trade. We could have got this 5 EMA trade. Uh, this is one of the 5 EMA reversal, one of the important one, which works like 70 to 80% the probability, and but we need to go with a strict stop loss. If it works out, you will get a like 4 is to 1 ratio, like 4 times of your stop loss, like that. You would get a bigger trade with that. So with this 5 EMA opportunity, but this is risky here because during the opening, just at the fourth candle, which means that market open 20 minutes, it's a risky to go on this. But with a little quantity and a strict stop lot, you could have entered. But it's okay. Market is will open daily, so you will get a multiple chances. If you don't want to take any risk, no need to go for this chance. If you see the Nifty at the same time, and also like Nifty, it yesterday opened at the top and it formed like double top here. So whenever we see a double top pattern and it started selling with this big candle, it is around 10.05 and Nifty 50 at 10.05. This is the candle where could have gone for short. And one more important thing is whenever these three lines are CPR. I will slowly like make videos on what is the CPR and what is the EMA and what is the 5 EMA strategy, reversal strategy. I will make videos going forward, but as if now, just these three lines are a CPR. Whenever our market, this is my chart is for 5 minutes chart, because it's for intraday. Whenever our candles goes below this CPR and we are below all this, like uh, 5 EMA, 9 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 100 EMA. Just wait for the price to hold that 5 EMA, and once it break, we can go for the short. Uh, this is just for the scalping. I'm not telling for the long-term positions. This is for the scalping. As soon as you have hit some of the support level, you can exit. And one more important thing is, whenever is a market is falling sharply like this, um, however it was shown here, and it was hanging for 15-20 minutes here. You could able to see here, right? I'm just rounding off here. This 15-20 minutes market went up and it again came down. Here, if you see this again, it took support. It took resistance exactly in this 15-20 minutes hanging candle. If you see, it reversed and again it here somewhat volatile candle. Again, we had sharp sell-off candle, but we shouldn't enter here. Why? Because from here it was a larger candle. It passed through large distance, and again it reversed here, and again we see the larger candle here, but we can enter here. Why? Because even though it is a large candle, here already we had a big sell off, and correction, enough correction has happened. So we should have entered here, and again we should have got a good opportunity to sell. And whatever today I'm telling is for like a scalp kind of trades, it's not a long trades. And I don't see any other opportunity, but I see here the opportunity. But these are bigger candles. But when we see a Nifty here exactly 1245, and this is also a 1245 candle. Mm, Here we see a trend line breakout along with it took resistance at 20 EMA and a trend line breakout up. If you see this kind of scenario, then definitely, like in a falling market, there is a chance of like a selling get re-triggered. I usually do bank nifty, so but I do watch nifty during the same time how it is becoming, because bank nifty is nothing but we will have all the banks in the bank nifty, and nifty 50 also holds banks, so both will go in hand in hand. So this would have been a selling opportunity. Once it crosses this 20 EMA and 9 EMA, we could have sell, and we could have booked profit here. After that, I don't see any other trade opportunity. Okay. And coming to tomorrow's trade, as we already discussed that the market is going to open as if no, but I say it's not 100% guarantee, but it looks like it's going to be a gap up because of the way SGX Nifty behaving right now. So if it opens a gap up tomorrow, it would have opened around yesterday's close was around 48,923. It would have opened something like 200 or 100 150 points more. So 49 150, like that something. And also, as said, it depends upon again tomorrow morning before market opens in India, there would be a 3 hours of trade in Singapore. It all depends upon that. If it opens a gap up, uh, there is a high probability that it would open at the uh, again near to the market high of the Nifty, and again there is a chance of sell off. And whenever market opens, uh, like previous day, it was down by around 2% and it opens gap up, then don't be in a hurry, just wait for the, because first 5 minutes candle will always be a volatile candle. Just wait for the second candle and see the price action. If it breaks up, go for the uh, go for the buy trade, bullish trade. If it breaks below second 5 minutes candle, go for the short trade and be particular with the stop loss. It doesn't work always, but there is an opportunity because of this big candle here. And one more thing, if market opens in between somewhere here, uh, it's not it's we don't see any direction over here. We need to wait for the price action. And also one more important thing is we see like all the candles forming here are big candles, so we should trade only with the bigger stop loss, sorry, with the strict stop loss. And if you see, I think I already told the previous day that there are trend lines. And I believe I remember when we were discussing on Friday, there is a chance if market breaks this level, it will take support at the EMA. This is a 9 EMA. It exactly went up to 9 EMA and reacted here, and it went up. If it There is no chance that market is going to open a gap down tomorrow. There are only chances as if now, if we look at the SGX Nifty, only either gap up or opens in between this candle. So if it opens a gap up, there is always a probability like somewhere here if it opens and it kind of holds for half an hour same position, there is a chance to go up to this level. And it if it breaks that level, and it might hit all time high as well. But if it opens a gap up and it couldn't able to hold for some long time, it will again uh, it will again come to this level. This acts as a support and it might reverse. If this breaks again, it might fall. Okay, and there are only two chances. As said, either market will open gap up or in between this candle. There is no chance of a gap down tomorrow, unless if some global issues happen overnight. There won't be any chance. And I believe until this election and election results, maybe elections, it might go in the same range. We might not see, if it breaks also, it may not sustain. It might fall again and it might go in somewhat range here until this election results come. And coming to the Nifty, it's also as said it will open a gap up. If it opens gap up, there is a chance it will take a new high tomorrow. If it crosses this point, it will go up to new high. And again, I don't think it will hold for long. It might reverse us after some time. But do trading. using a price action only. One of the important thing, as I said, is like uh, if market is above the CPR and is above all these EMA lines, then it is kind of bullish, like go with the price action at that time. And if it is below CPR and below all these lines, and it's kind of sell sentiment in the market. I am just talking about the intraday. I'm not talking about the long term. And also, like, see, in this case, yesterday it was below this CPR lines, but there was no directional. Like it was not below all these values as here, like 5 EMA, 9 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, 100 EMA. It was going through uh, those through EMAs, so there is no trading opportunity here. Okay, thanks all. I think today we had a bigger video. Please subscribe if you watch this video. Going forward, I will be sending some of the important videos like 5 EMA reversal strategies, and I will keep posting the strategies as well. Thanks, guys.